My name is Brian Lawrence, a faculty member in the jazz area here at Central Washington University. This class and this project is for our jazz combo class, MUS 218 and 418. So it's open to freshmen through seniors and graduate students and anybody that wants to sign up for it. We have about 35 students in the class every quarter, and we split them into 6 small ensembles consisting of between 5 and 7 students per ensemble that we call our combos. And so each combo traditionally works together collaboratively twice a week and performs a concert at the end of the quarter, but that's kind of it in terms of what they do with their music after the quarter ends. It exists and it goes away. An electronic press kit is an industry standard tool that we use in music and also many other disciplines. The goal of it is to have all of the information someone wanting to hire your ensemble would need. My colleague Vijay Singh and our TA Mo Weisner and myself decided to create this project all about marketing and branding themselves through an electronic press kit. So we wanted our students to get exposure to that and have a tangible artifact they could take from this class into their professional careers. So the project had a number of different parts. Once the combos had their name, then they had to put a set list together all around their identity and who they were as a group. They had to write an original biography of their group featuring maybe some notable accomplishments. They've performed at international conferences or they've performed with these guest artists, things that lend legitimacy to a local venue or somewhere around the country that maybe is not familiar with Central or not familiar with these students, but has heard of some of these world famous artists our students are playing with. They also had to create links, QR code links to their performances, ideally with as high quality as possible because we want them to get hired, and also with a good variety. So not just 3 songs that sound the same, but 3 different things and a little bit of kind of what they can do. We also asked students to get 2 professional reviews of their combo. One from a current Central faculty member that does not teach the class. They had to reach out to the oboe professor or the director of bands. And then their other review had to be from a respected member of the music community that was important to them. So some of them chose a former community college music instructor. Some of them chose a local professional musician in their hometown. Somebody that, could advocate for them and has a little bit of legitimacy more than the students do themselves in their career. When a restaurant sees Director of Jazz Studies at Edmonds Community College, they know that this is a group that's not just great at Central, but also other people respect what they're doing. And then finally, we asked them to put social media links. Some of them made real ones for their groups, other ones made fake ones, but the idea that they could use this in the future. So that was another challenge, is what can you have that makes it compact and fits all of these criteria that also accomplishes all these goals. And then the very last day of the quarter, we actually presented them in class. So students had to go up and present them as if they were trying to make a presentation to a local restaurant, things like that. 3 days later, I got a message from some students, hey, we just got a gig using kind of a similar idea, took it downtown to a restaurant in Ellensburg and got a gig within 5 minutes of talking to them. So it really is valuable not only for groups to get to perform in the community, but also individuals. There's a lot of composers in the world, but there's not a lot that have a really high quality marketing and image behind them.